Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore one of the most versatile and fundamental data structures in Python, lists. Lists are powerful tools for storing collections of items, and mastering them is essential for any Python programmer. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about lists in Python, from their basic syntax to advanced operations. Let's start with the basics. In Python, a list is a collection of items, which can be of different data types, enclosed in square brackets, and separated by commas. Here's a simple example of a list. In this list, we have integers, but you can include any data type, such as strings, floats, or even other lists. Once you have a list, you can access its elements using indexing and slicing. Indexing starts at 0, and you can use negative indices to count from the end of the list. Let's see it in action. You can also use slicing to extract a portion of the list. For example, lists in Python are mutable, meaning you can change their elements after creation. You can modify individual elements, add new elements, or remove existing ones. Let's see some examples. Lists support various operations, such as concatenation, repetition, and checking membership. Let's explore some common operations. Python provides a variety of built-in methods for manipulating lists. These methods allow you to easily add, remove, or modify elements in a list. Here are some commonly used list methods. 1. Append, add an element to the end of the list. 2. Remove the first occurrence of a specified value. 3. Sort the elements of the list in ascending order. 4. Reverse the order of the elements in the list. And many more. These methods make working with lists in Python incredibly flexible and convenient. That wraps up our exploration of lists in Python. They're versatile, mutable, and incredibly useful for storing collections of items. By mastering lists, you'll unlock a wide range of possibilities in your Python programs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Coder Squad. Happy coding!